Virtual training labs, gaining buy-in from leadership. When execs talk strategy, we usually hear about revenue, growth, and innovation. But one high-impact lever is often overlooked: training. It might not sound exciting, but it should be. Why? Because 7 in 10 employees say training directly influences whether they stay at a company. The problem? While employees use smartwatches and AI-powered apps, companies are still handing out printed manuals and clunky PDFs. That tech gap isn't just frustrating, it's expensive. Lower productivity, higher churn, slower ramp-up. The fix? Virtual training labs. These hands-on, cloud-based environments turn training into a scalable, cost-effective, and actually enjoyable experience. Why training equals science strategy? Training isn't just an HR thing, it's a business strategy. Done right, it fuels. Talent acquisition. Top talent wants to grow. Retention. People stay where they learn. Productivity. Skilled teams execute faster. And yet many leaders still treat training like a fire extinguisher, used only in emergencies. But replacing a single employee can cost 1.5x their annual salary. A smart training strategy avoids that. Think faster onboarding, higher morale, better innovation. That's not fluff, it's margin. What are virtual labs? Virtual labs are cloud-based environments where learners build real skills without touching production systems. They're safe, interactive, and accessible from anywhere. You can run instructor-led classes or let people learn at their own pace. It's like giving every learner their own IT sandbox with zero risk and instant feedback. Business benefits. Let's talk ROI. Companies save 30 to 70% by replacing in-person training with virtual labs. No travel or hardware. Everything runs in the cloud. Mistakes are safe. Learners can crash a virtual network without real-world consequences. And because labs are flexible, global teams can train anytime, anywhere. Here's the kicker. Hands-on training boosts knowledge retention up to 75%. That's a huge step up from traditional lectures. Real-world impact. Teams use virtual labs for internal onboarding and upskilling, customer training and certifications, channel partner enablement. It's all about giving people the chance to learn by doing, and do it right the first time. Why outsourcing makes sense. Building your own lab system? Sounds great, until your IT team is stuck patching servers instead of solving real problems. With a platform like ReadyTech, you skip the setup, maintenance, and risk. Labs are ready in minutes, fully secure and built to scale. Pitch into leadership. Need buy-in? Speak their language. We'll cut training costs by 70%. Employees retain 75% more knowledge. New hires contribute faster. Start with a small pilot, show the ROI, and scale smart. Wrap up. Modern teams deserve modern training. Virtual labs are the answer. Real skills, lower costs, better outcomes. Train to retain, upskill to outperform. And if you're ready to see it in action, contact ReadyTech for a demo.